Now you see this pepper, he has overly packed it, because now when they grow and they spread, it would be hard for you to have a place to pass to monitor your crops. But you see, this helps him to harvest way more. That's why he has other crops, other seedlings coming in the garden later than the others, so that he can plant way more on a small piece of land. One of the problems we have encountered is pepper can no longer be harvested for a long time. Long ago, pepper used to take long while you're harvesting. It would grow so tall and it would take so long as you keep harvesting. But now you can harvest for only 1 year. Because those days pepper would grow and you would harvest as if you are harvesting coffee. So now you have to plant 3 feet. Leave 3 feet from here to this side and 3 feet to this side, and then you can plant to give it room to grow.